there's more paint.
Water damage over here.
Yeah, we might not be able to do much about that.
No, they need replacement. But we might be able to make some of it look better.
Yeah, maybe.
But they're smaller, that's why they got the gaps.
And again, with the somebody not bothering to prep for painting.
No.
No.
Well,
Alrighty.
yeah, so let's...
So explain to me what all these pads are.
These are different abrasion pads. This is the one we're going to use. This is the most aggressive.
That's for the paint?
Yeah, and to take down some of the wood. This is very aggressive if I use the rotary, but I got to get in the corners. This is very aggressive as well, not as aggressive as that. This is more of a cleaning pad. Okay, and these are for the rotaries as well.
And what machine does this one go on?
This goes on what's in there now called the square scrub.
Square scrub, and then you've got the rotary.
Over there, in case I need it, and I got another one in there as well. So now we're going to start.
And then we get the beast.
Yeah, we're going to agitate. So we're going to go through and start agitating the floor, try to take off the surface finish, leave a little sawdust. We're going to start out dry, and then we're going to do a section and rinse it and see how it looks to the other section. We have detergent in there. I may switch over to a wet sand as well, and then we hook it up and we take a tool and rinse the floor. And for the stubborn paint, we'll have a citrus base spray.
This is just taking off that top layer. I'll just put it on that paint.
We're rinsing the floor.
Okay. Wow, look at that floor pop.
And other than the paint,
Yeah, we work on paint too. As you can see, here's what the floor originally looked like. Look at the difference. Wow.
there you go.
There's more paint.
Water damage over here.
Yeah, we might not be able to do much about that.
No, they need replacement. But we might be able to make some of it look better.
Yeah, maybe.
But they're smaller, that's why they got the gaps.
And again, with the somebody not bothering to prep for painting.
No.
No.
Well,
Alrighty.
yeah, so let's